Yo, I don't think a constructive thought. So now, press a like, press a share, press a follow if you feel like. You see me? But you know what I think about? Since you can't trust the system and the system always give you some things what is always against us. You know, one of the things that come to mind a while ago, them say don't talk to yourself. And them classify you talking to yourself as being an insane, a mad person. But is it really? Or is it applied to get you from not connecting with you, the inner you? You see me? Why not talk to yourself? You know, why not hold a conversation? You see me? Why not get to understand, you know, the voices in your head? Eh? What is wrong with reconnecting? Because them don't want to look within. Because if you start look within and listen to the voice that is within, will protect you and guide you enough times. How much times you go somewhere and you hear the voice say, yo, take left, don't go right. And you follow. And then you hear say, you want to right, something happen.